You are a self-starter. You don't need the applause. You don't need the accolades even. But somehow you manage to succeed. You manage to excel and literally quantum leap past many's projections. More often than not, you were the child that survived. You know, they say that the creative child is the child that survived. So you may have been in situations from your past where people literally went out of their way to try to either intimidate you, invalidate you, neglect you, and you tapped into those gifts and abilities that you naturally have. You may have even honed in on other gifts and abilities. That could have been art, that could have been, writing, poetry, creating things, whatever it is. And so those same things that you were able to draw inspiration on, and on a deeper level, you may have been someone that you were just somehow connected spiritually. And so with those same things that you were able to overcome so much in your formative years, now many of you that are in adulthood, you're picking up on similar energies where people that may be in some level of proximity to you, they're not, it's just like they see you, but they don't want you to see that they see you. Like they will hate on you and then mimic you at the same time. It's just like cuckoo, literally. But just understand that a lot of these people are not fully secure with who they are, and they see you and they're intrigued, they're in awe. And for some of them, it's confusing to them because they wonder, like, wow, this person doesn't have a lot of people rooting them and cheering them on, but somehow they're still thriving. And this is the presence of the Most High within you. All right, remain solid. Remain 10 toes down in what it is that you're doing, knowing that your integrity, your faithfulness will never be lost in translation to those that really value you. It will never be lost in translation. They will see you for who you are and they will appreciate you. And for those that maybe amongst you and they don't have that level of appreciation for who you are, or they don't acknowledge you, or they don't share in your joy, just know that those are not your people. They're not your kind. All right. And so with having said that, I want you to understand that it's about to get so much sweeter. Your life is about to get so much brighter. So just get in this preparation. They see you winning, but they hope you don't see it.